Department of Food Studies at Chatham University, and I'm here today to make a super yummy sweet potato hash recipe with the Pittsburgh Food Bank. Today we're going to be making a sweet potato hash. It's a super easy 30-minute meal. Sweet potatoes are a popular item here at the food bank and are often available at our local pantries. For your ingredients, you'll start with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. You'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin, but this is totally optional, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of onion, chopped, and 1 bell pepper, chopped. 3 cups of sweet potatoes, peeled and chopped, 1 15-ounce can of black beans, drained and rinsed, and then finally a teaspoon of oil to help heat up your pan. You'll start this recipe by heating your oil in a large skillet or frying pan over medium heat. And you do want to make sure that you leave a few minutes to allow the oil to heat up in the pan. After your oil is hot, you're going to add sweet potatoes, bell pepper, onions, and seasonings. And you really want to give this a good stir to make sure that everything is mixed evenly in the pan. So then you'll cook that for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once your sweet potatoes are soft, add your black beans that are drained, and you'll stir to mix. And you're just kind of heating up the black beans during this stage, so you really only need to cook for about 5 minutes, again stirring occasionally. When you're done, be sure to turn off the stove, and each serving size is about 2/3 a cup. You can store this in a fridge in an airtight container for up to 7 days. Thank you everyone for watching and for the Pittsburgh Food Bank for hosting. And for more information on the Department of Food Studies, visit chatham.edu.